Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can copy text from a view-only Google Doc on Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So, you've got a view-only Google Doc on Google Drive, you have access to it, however, you are unable to copy anything. When you try to copy, you're told copying and pasting has been disabled. So the first step is you want to go up to the URL, and at the end you're going to see /edit ? Tab, then some other characters. I want you to delete everything after the final slash. After that, I then want you to type in mobile basic and then press the enter key. Doing so is going to give you a mobile basic view of the web page, which is great. And the next step is we're going to need to open up the developer tools. So you can either press F12 on your keyboard, or you can press the three dots up here. Then you can go to more tools, then go to developer tools. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go to the network tab. And if your developer tools are really small like this and you don't see the network tab, you can click on the more tabs button and then click on network. I recommend dragging this out so you have more space to see what's going on. Now after this, you're going to want to press on reload page. And when you reload the page, this table will be populated with some things that have been downloaded from the Google servers. So one of these entries is going to be Mobile Basic. What I want you to do is I want you to click on Mobile Basic. Then I want you to click on the Preview tab. And if you scroll about, you're going to see no images, however, there is text. And what you can do is you can just drag everything and then right click and click on Copy. And in a new Google Doc, I can right click, click on Paste, and I've pasted all of the text from the view-only Google Doc on Google Drive. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comments if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.